Hey, hi guys, this is Forever Looney here, and today I just want to speak in regards to having an e-commerce for all the different industry. Okay, a lot of people have been saying like, I don't want e-commerce because my shop is not ready for e-commerce. I'm just a small shop, I'm not ready for digital industry. I'm just this, I'm just that, and stuff like that. So have this recent COVID-19 be something that finally wants to let you do e-commerce. Okay, it's not about e-commerce, it's not just e-commerce. E-commerce is just e-commerce. We just name it as e-commerce. That's pretty much all. There is no such thing as my company is not able to do e-commerce. My company is not able to do e-commerce because I'm small. You want technology to help you to maximize whatever that you have concurrently today? Okay, let me just explain to you what can technology do. Alright, there are places that allows you to track whatever product that you have. You have people stealing from you, definitely, right? How do we lower it? We get RFID, we can track all the different stocks that we have in store, we can do stock state, we can do a lot of different things. That is RFID tracking. We are able to do that with technology. Okay? Next, e-commerce is something that we have that allows us to actually put information into our website. At the same time, people are able to make purchase, and then they will actually send a purchase order, a receipt, a delivery order, a PO, whatever that you want can be generated, and it can be part of your company, or you want to actually send them a copy to yourself and send a copy to your customers. You are able to do that. You are even able to actually send newsletter, like like an advertisement platform that you go to them every single day. You can email them and tell them that I got this new offer for you, especially in this COVID-19 right now. You want to send as much voucher to all these people to let them know that you are having this, your brand is selling something that they need. They are able to buy something from your company. What is your company offering? Stuff like that. You're able to do that. Especially now, nobody want to go out. You can earn more in that. You can even do brand awareness in this period of time, and it's the best time that you have. But however, those people that are not willing to go into e-commerce, that is when you actually put your business in danger. You're gonna dangerize your whole, you're gonna threaten your whole business environment. You just tell people that, oh no, I'm not fit. You just want to find reasons to tell yourself that you're not fit into all these e-commerce things. You don't want to do e-commerce. E-commerce is just e-commerce. E-commerce is not e-commerce because it needs to be electronic, digitalized, and stuff like that. It need to be commercial. No, there's no guideline for it. Alright, e-commerce is just e-commerce. Okay, e-commerce just tells you that this website is able to let you purchase, is able to let you add to cart, people are able to make payments, stuff like that. You only need that. They just go to PayPal, send you money, it's free. You don't even need things like a complicated setup. You don't even need to do anything. You just need to get somebody to help you do it, and then you're done with it. Okay, you just make sure that when people pay money, you're able to get the money. People want to get PO, is able to auto-generate. If your people want to come in and shop for things and ask you for inquiry, people are able to email you and stuff like that. Pretty much that's all. So e-commerce platform, it applies for many different industry. You are able to do for many different industry. Okay, let me just give an example. Alright, today you are, okay, let me find the hardest one. Alright, you are a kindergarten. Okay, what can e-commerce do for kindergarten? Giving information. You're able to create a website for information. You're able to let adults, okay, all the parents, to pay money for the product. Let's say today you got a hand paint that the children can use to play with their artworks and stuff like that. You want to sell this hand paint. Reason being is because when the child actually bite on their hands when they are putting the paint on, it will not hurt their stomach, it will not hurt them, it will not be dangerous for them, and stuff like that. I mean, as a parents, we wouldn't go to Popular just to find the right paint, right? I mean, we don't have that much time. We work 8 to 6, we go home, we are tired, we need to spend time with them. When do we have the time to go and find Popular and find this paint and stuff? What we can do is actually go online, okay, find the school, and then check, hey, you actually sell the paint. Oh, maybe I want to buy a new uniform for my child. I can actually do the transaction online, okay? And then I get my child to go there and do another transaction, which means a physical transaction where the child will be checking the product, correct? If the child check or the child never check, and then when they go home, the parents can check, right? You let the children get the first transaction, the first hand of transaction. So in the future, they are able to benefit from this experience. They know how to react. They know what they should do. They know how they can do it. and at the same time you're exposing them to make transaction like that. Alright? Isn't that great? Isn't that great? you get the children to learn something, at the same time you are buying something and you're benefiting from both sides. But then when I was sharing this idea before this preschool, they're like, oh, we are not ready yet, we are this, we are that. I mean, at the end of the day, whoever that applies it, you know, and they start earning money, this is the best thing for them. So don't just think e-commerce is something that you don't need. You know, you gotta find out how e-commerce is gonna work for you. You cannot be so, you cannot be like a dead man. You have a mind, you have a brain to think about how you are able to do things. Let me just tell you that today I have a piece of IC chip. Why people are able to make Internet of Things? Why people are able to make automated robots? Why people are able to make computers? Why people are able to create keyboards? Why people are able to create mic? Because they use it for other things. They think out of the box. They go beyond how they are able to do things, and therefore they get lots more money. When you are not earning money, you have to ask yourself, what value are you doing? You don't have any value, but at the same time you are just, oh no, I don't think I can do this, I don't think I can do that. You want to limit yourself, then by all means, you're just gonna be stagnant. And when people get better than you, you're gonna be like, oh, that guy is bad, he's the worst shit ever, rich people are bad, rich people are this and that. Let me just explain a bit. Rich people or entrepreneurs, they created so much things for you guys to have a better standard of living. They created so much things, and what makes you think that you shouldn't pay them? These people are grinding their minds, are grinding their brains for information, for new products for you guys to use, like Apple, like Windows, MacBook, Acer, Asus, and all these other brands. All these people that have this technology to know how to create laptops, computers, to let you guys connect even when the COVID virus is around there. People are able to see each other, people are able to see their relative far away. Who made all these things? All the entrepreneurs and all the rich people. And you are here telling yourself that, we shouldn't pay all these rich people, all these rich people are bad and stuff. Let me just tell you, the greedy people always want, and the people that are not greedy are always those people that brings the value to the table. So all those rich people, are they greedy people or not? I'm not sure. But definitely I know that they made value and they create a very big value in your life itself. Alright? Hey, hi guys, my name is Prabhat Looney. Thank you so much for watching this video, alright? If you feel that you enjoy this video, okay, please do me a favor by liking and subscribing to my channel, okay? Share with your friends on Facebook, I'm gonna put out all these videos, every social media accounts that I have, alright? Like this video, share with your friends. I hope that you guys can actually find a direction in your life. If you want to be happy, just be happy. I'll see you guys on the next video.